Does your ONN Roku TV have no sound but it's not muted? The sound's not working at all, and there's no audio coming out of the built-in speaker? Then follow these simple steps to resolve your issue in minutes. First of all, make sure to turn up the volume all the way to 100 by pressing the volume button at the side, and also double check that it's not muted. The second thing that you want to check is the audio output. For that, you'll need to go down to Settings, then Audio, and Audio Output. Here you'll need to change it to built-in speakers. Now the speakers should start working. If the problem persists, then let's cold boot our TV, and this will fix any software glitches causing this. Just unplug your TV's power cord, wait for around 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn your TV back on. Now check the built-in speakers once again. The issue may also happen for some specific apps. So if you're trying just one app, then go ahead and try a different app and see if audio works for that one. In case the sound doesn't work for any app, then you'll need to make sure that your TV is running on the latest software. To check for software updates, you'll need to go to Settings, then go up, open System, and choose Software Update. Click on Check Now, and this will remove any outdated software from your PC. After checking for updates, if the problem persists, then what you can try is resetting the audio settings of your TV. You'll need to go to Settings, System, Advanced System, Factory Reset, and then choose Reset Audio/Picture Settings. Now to reset, you'll need to press the play pause button 3 times, and you'll get a pop-up saying that the reset is complete. Now hopefully the built-in speakers should start playing audio. Unfortunately, if you still can't hear anything, then you can try connecting an HDMI or optical audio device to check whether it's only your TV speakers or the whole audio in general. So what I need to do now, whether only the TV speaker or both devices don't work, is taking your TV to repairs or contact support. And that's about it. Hope you found this useful, and stay tuned for more.